If you're in the market for a vacation property, you'd better move fast. It seems the number of people snapping up cottages and land is on the rise for several reasons. And as Belle Puri reports, more buyers means higher prices.
Like never before, Canadians want to get out of town.
There's a high demand, a very high demand.
After 3 slack years, the interest in cabins, condos, and cottages is on the rise.
I'd say about last October, maybe September, early September, all of a sudden we started to see the movement turn around again, you know.
I would be very comfortable with saying 20% increase in the properties I've observed. But the waterfronts, the special, unique properties we have waiting lists for them.
Recreational property is on the move for one major reason.
With the stock market being so volatile, I'd like to take my money out of the stock market and buy real estate. And since I own a place in the city, I'd rather buy something as a recreational property.
Pins mark the spot, hundreds of spots, where Rudy Nielsen has sold recreational property so far this year.
Everybody's starting to pull out of mutual funds and putting their money into different places. And I think the home now, and I think the last survey I saw, people are starting to look at the real estate market.
The floodgates appear to be open to potential buyers, Canadian and American, mostly looking for affordable properties, but also high-end purchases.
I sold 3 islands in the last little while. 2 of them were sight unseen, right off our website. And one was to a doctor from Colorado.
Realtor Leslie Farrell says the dot-com crash and telecommunications industry meltdown have put the focus on a different kind of investment.
It had been such a generous market, and about 3 years ago it began its unkindness, and people turned to what they could see, touch, sleep in if necessary.
Recreational property sales are up in most markets across the country.
It's an A-frame, near the beach.
Which beach?
Prince Edward Island.
It's in the Okanagan. It's at my sister's cottage in Muskoka.
I predict that sales are going to increase anywhere from 20 to 30% here, starting here right now and increasing right through into next year.
As sales go, so go prices. What used to be a real steal is also on the rise. Prices that have been steadily dropping since the mid-1990s are once again starting to creep up. Belle Puri, CBC News, Vancouver.